Wednesday, 19th of June 2024, gardening at the community centre. The whole crew were up in the area. I made up tiny sampler plates of salad from vegetables donated to the produce swap. Yummy and very well received. The dressing was actually pretty good, honestly. Got home and felt completely zapped. No energy at all. Laid down for a while. Got up and walked around the house, and while I was doing that, I could barely believe that I'd mustered up even enough energy for that. I have to have CFS or some thyroid issue or something. So tired. I tried to nail a broom head to a structure in the paddock for the cows to scratch themselves on, but I couldn't find a good place for it. We'll discuss it with Redacted. Cooked up a huge plate of food for dinner, including my entire pumpkin harvest for the year. I got about 3 spoons of mashed pumpkin for all my blood, sweat and tears over these past months, and it was completely worth it. Delicious. Set a reminder to plant pumpkin earlier next year. Can't wait for a bumper yield next spring. Mood 5, energy 4. Moods fine, off, awkward, tired, grateful. Grateful, cooking and eating my pumpkin at long last. G'day, this is Luke Hand, and this is Luke Hand Diary. Thank you so much for listening. If you haven't already, please add, follow, subscribe to the show in whatever podcast player you use, and please recommend the show to friends if you think they might enjoy it. These sound like small things, and they are, but they could make a big difference and really help me grow the popularity of this podcast and hopefully make me very famous and very, very rich. Thanks, folks. Cheers.